Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. Pete the cat rocking in my school shoes. Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat saves Christmas. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. Story by Eric Litwin. Art by James Dean. Pete the cat was walking down the street with his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in the large pile. Strawberry, what color is your shoes? Red, it's six size. Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in the large pile. Blueberry, what color is your shoes? Blue, did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. I love my shoes. I love my shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all of the brown, and all of the blue, and all of the red was washed away. What color were his shoes? Rather white, but now they are crowd wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My button, my 4 groovy buttons. My button, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and playing outside on the green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness no. He slides and swings and sings a song. I was playing in my school shoes. I was playing in my school shoes. I was playing in the school shoes. All day long Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm pitting in my school shoes. I'm in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asked him, what do you do at school? And Pete said, I was rocking in my school shoes. What does Pete says? It's all first story of Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. Was the day before Christmas and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never! Cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your road trip. First stop the North Pole. Cried Pete. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow. So he packed up the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew, just like in the movie. Pete the Cat cried, this is totally groovy. I can do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer were here overhead. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash, then back into his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. But at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out, just as quiet as a mouse. Then, right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was weak. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the Cat. I did it, said Pete, and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all.